Dear students, in the last class, we started the chapter Chords and Wheels. It's very easy. The whole chapter is completely based on circles. What is a circle and what are the properties of circle that we discussed in the last class. Circle is this. To draw a circle, center is needed. From center onto the circle, the line, whatever is drawn, is called radius. Double the radius is called diameter. A line joining circle at any 2 points is called as chord of the circle. This is the information given in the last class. Using compass, we have drawn some circles. No need to draw this, already we discussed in the last class. So don't write anything unless I inform you. Circle will have center, radius, diameter. Diameter is double the radius. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Chord means a line joining any 2 points on the circle. We can have many chords like this. All these are chords only. Line joining any 2 points. Diameter is also a chord, but that is the biggest chord, the longest chord. Any point inside the circle is called interior. Outside the circle is called exterior. Outside, inside. Okay. To draw the circle, we can use bangles, coins, all this we can use. And we can use compass also. Where we keep pencil and we draw circles using compass. How to draw the circle using compass was explained in the last class. Now, let us have a small revision of the whole chapter, then we'll do the problems. Concentrate on the PowerPoint presentation, which I'm going to share now. All of you mute yourself and concentrate on the PowerPoint presentation. What are the basic shapes? Can you tell some basic shapes?
Sir, we should write this.
No, I will tell you then only. Otherwise, don't write, just listen.
Triangle.
Some basic shapes, what you know. Circle we are discussing, so circle is one basic shape.
Circle.
Yes,
Triangle.
circle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Circle and triangle, only two I came to know. One by one.
Square and rectangle, sir.
Square and rectangle, yes. This is a rectangle. Okay, stop talking, listen. Stop talking. Rectangle. I said stop talking. Rectangle, square, triangle, and circle. These are the 4 different shapes. So many examples are here which looks like a circle. In our day-to-day regular life, you might have seen all these coins, those are what you ate in the home, biscuits, lollipops, bangles, wall clock in the home, pizza, vehicle types, roti or pulka, which is made in exact shape. All these are the examples of circular shapes. Don't write anything, I will tell you when you have to write. So our chapter name is Chords and Wheels. Chords and wheels, which looks like, wheel means which looks like a circle. Different chords you have seen, which horse, ox, camels also there, which carry the chords. So this activity you can try at home after the class, not now. I will share this after the class. Trace circles of different sizes using bangles, coins, bottle cap, etc. So try to trace different circles, at least 4 different circles using 4 different objects. One circle you draw using bangle. One circle you draw using coin. One circle you draw using water bottle cap. You can try some other circular possibilities also. So this is the first activity you have to do at home. This is a homework activity, not now. Okay, so can you do this? Using bangles, using coins,
Yes.
using water bottle cap. It's a very simple activity you have to do. Okay.
Geometry box.
Activity
Meron
2.
sir confuse na wala naton.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Parents, please mute. Don't talk when class is going on. Parents, please understand. Observe the surroundings and list out any 5 things you can be used to draw a circle. In your surroundings, identify some things which can be used to draw a circle. Of course, bangle is one thing, coin is one thing, water bottle cap is one thing. Other than these 3, try to identify some 2 more things which can be used to draw a circle. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things? Same as second question. So this is not necessary. Why do you make circles in each of these games? Look at this. Have you ever seen this type of game? Maybe pandemic, your friends and yourself, you are not gathered and you have played this game. But this is the most popular game when we were kids. In our childhood, we have played this game. All people will sit around a circle. One people will take a kerchief. He will run around the circle and drop the kerchief and see how the game. You want to see the game? Yes, look at this game. Have you seen this game? What is the name of this game? What is the name of this game?
Musical chair.
Musical chair. Musical chair game. This also, circles will be kept in a circular shape, round things. And 4 chairs will be there. 5 students will walk around the chair and song will be played. When the song stops, you have to sit in the chairs. 5 students, 4 chairs. So 1 student will left without chair. He is eliminated. Then 3 chairs, 4 students. 2 chairs, 3 students. 1 chair, 2 students. Who sits on the chair? He is the winner of the game. So this you might have played, I think. You want to see how the game works? See. Yes. 1 student is left, so he is eliminated. Next, 1 chair is removed. See the game. I think you are recollecting your school days, I think, in your childhood. Interesting. Have you ever played this game?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What about this cat and mouse game?
Yes,
sir.
This is called cat and mouse game. Generally, this is played in foreign countries. This is not famous in India, but this is very famous in the foreign countries. You can see all the kids are foreigners. The main purpose of these videos is all are standing round like a circle. You know about this game?
Yes, sir.
There is a circle here, you can see. In that circle, bone will be kept. This is called dog and bone game. See,
circle గురించి
one person from this end, one person from that end will come. Who pick the bone, he is the winner. See, yeah.
ఇవాళ పోయలే
నిన్న పోసిందే రోజు ఇంకాడ
మరి కడగలే
ఎట్లా కూడా అర్జున్
Please, parents, please mute yourself. Don't talk when the class is going on. Okay, so these are the examples of the few games which played in a circular way, where circle is involved in all. This definition
Sir, we
already
should write
discussed in the
this.
last class. What?
we should write this.
I have told you many times. I will inform you when you have to write. These definitions already you wrote in the last class. Circle means a closed figure made by one curved line. Circle has no corners, no edges. It is a closed plane. This is the definition of circle. See the circle. And in between you can find a center. What are the parts of circle? See, this is also one way of drawing circle. In the olden days, I remember as a kid, I used to draw like this. When there was no compass, we used to draw circle like this. At center, put a nail, then put a thread to it. Thread of any radius you can take. And at the other end, we hold the pencil and we draw. You can try at home as activity. And please send the video. The students who want to dare to do this, please try this and take a video and send to me without fail within 2 days. You have to make a cardboard like this. You can use the wall clock shape cardboard. At the center, put a nail, tighten with the thread. Other end, thread where you make a hole where you can insert the pencil. Then you can draw the circle. If you want, I will show the video once again. See, this is exact circle you will get if you draw like this.
Sir, Ashika ready clock.
So those who want to try, you try this and please send the video, doing video, not the photo. How you are doing, I want to see.
Sir, Ashika did sir.
When?
Wall clock. See.
No, drawing circle, when you have done.
No, sir. This is. See, sir.
You can try this as activity. It's very interesting and innovative. When I was a child, I remember I have done this. See, what is the meaning of radius? Radius is the distance from center to any point on the circle. All these blue color lines are radii. Radius singular, radii is the plural. See, radius. Distance from center onto the circle. A circle will have infinite number of radii. And this formula you know very well because last class we did this. Diameter means double the radius, 2 times the radius. Diameter is double the radius. Diameter is the longest chord, which is 2 times. What do you mean by circumference? Circumference means boundary. Circumference means boundary. Yes, the boundary. Boundary of the circle is called circumference, which is also called as perimeter. Circumference is boundary or perimeter. Chord. Chord means line joining any 2 points on the circle. Line joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. All these we discussed in the last class. Again, I am revising because there is nothing there to teach in this topic. See, radius center to this. Diameter means on a circle one corner to other corner. Boundary is called circumference. Line joining 2 points is called chord. Other 4 are new definitions. Arc. What do you mean by arc? See, when there is a circle, arc means this, any portion of the circle. Any portion of the circle is called arc. This is arc. Anything, limited portion, this is called arc. This is called arc of the circle. If a line touches the circle, whatever is touches, that is called tangent. Whatever is touches, that is called tangent of the circle. Okay. This is a chord. The area below the chord, this area is called segment. All this you will get in higher classes. Right now we are not using, we are doing only drawing of circle. Don't write anything, I will share afterwards, nothing to worry. This region is called segment. This is called segment. One more interesting, this is circle, radius. This is radius. The region between two radii, which is called sector. Best example where you have seen sector. If you have ordered pizza, each slice of a pizza is a sector. If you ordered pizza, each slice is a sector. It will be like this. This is called sector. Okay. So this is the information I want to give on the circles, which already I discussed in the last class. So that's what we have in this chapter. What are the problems we will get from this chapter? Only 2 type of questions will be asked on this chapter. It's a very easy chapter. First thing is radius will be given. What is the diameter? Diameter will be given. What is the radius? Second thing is you have to draw the circle using compass. Okay. Now let us try some questions. Last class also we did same. Again we do the same. So now the problems we are going to do that you have to write in the classwork. Radius, diameter, 7 centimeter.
We should write, sir.
Yes. I told you to write this.
Whatever you are writing in board.
Yes. Question number 1. Question number 2.
Right, sir.
Sir, we cannot see clarity.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we cannot. Sir, we cannot see clarity.
Wait.
Sir, we
cannot see,
sir.
Wait.
Now also we cannot see. Right, sir. No,
Radius
sir, we
is given.
cannot see.
Radius is given. Find the diameter. Diameter is given, find the radius.
He writes, sir.
The block.
Sir, mute all.
Fill in the blanks.
Sir, mute all.
First, you stop talking.
7 centimeter, 10 centimeter.
Yeah. I need the answers. Make it fast. Radius is given, find the diameter. Diameter is given, find the radius.
Yes, sir. Diameter.
Yeah. First table. Radius is 7 centimeters. What is the diameter?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters, sir.
Diameter is always 2 into
14.
radius.
Okay.
So use
Double the radius,
double the radius. So 14. Good.
sir.
Next.
10 centimeter
20
radius.
centimeters, sir.
20
centimeters, sir. 20 centimeters, sir.
20
20 centimeters,
centimeters.
sir. Next is 8 centimeters, sir.
8, sir. 8.
8 centimeters, sir.
8 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Sir, 5.
5 centimeters. 5 centimeters.
3.5
Centimeters, sir.
Sir, what is second one? Diameter one. What is diameter one? First then?
First is 10. Second
10,
one is
okay, sir.
20.
Then 5, sir. Radius is 5.
Radius is 5.
20 centimeters. Third one, sir.
10.
10.
10.
10 centimeters, sir. 12 centimeters. 6 centimeters, sir.
6 centimeters, sir.
Half of 12. Half of 12.
Yes, sir. 3.5 centimeters, sir.
Yeah, who gave the answer 3.5?
Centimeters. Aditya Pawan, sir.
Aditya Pawan, very good, very good. See, don't expect always you will get perfect values. You can get in decimals also. Half of 7. Half of 7 means 3.5. It is in decimals. It is in fractions. 3.5. 3.5. 7 centimeter. Half of 7 is 3.5. Very good, Aditya Pawan.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, first one, what is diameter is equals to 2 into
Which one?
first one. Sir, please tell students what is whatever you are writing in board, we should write that all. So whatever you're writing in board, we should write that all.
Yes. Second question, if it is completed, let us go for the third question, last question of this chapter. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter using compass and color it in red color. Draw a circle using compass, color it and show it to me.
Sir, we cannot see clarity.
I'm telling no. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and color it. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and color it.
Sir,
RADIO.
sir, not clear, sir. Camera not clear.
Stop making noise.
Sir, we should color
Yes, yes.
all circles.
All no, only one circle. No, I'm asking.
Yes, sir, we should color. Sir, not clear, sir, camera.
Sir, in the circle, should we point out the radius and diameter?
Nothing. Just to draw a circle and color it. That's all I'm asking.
Sir, after this, you will send homework.
No homework, nothing.
Sir,
No homework.
only this.
That's all.
Sir, not clear, sir.
These are the questions which I wrote on the board. Those who can't see properly, they can see now. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and color it in red. One is red, one is blue. Use color pencil or sketch pen.
Sir, what is the second one?
Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and color it in blue. It is there, no? I have shared the screen. Look at the screen, not the board.
Sir, we can write two circles.
Yeah, question 1, question 2. First circle, draw with 4 centimeter using compass. Using compass, draw 4 centimeter circle, color it in red.
Okay, sir. Sir. Yes.
Sir, I have completed, sir.
Those completed, show it to the camera. Let me see. Yeah. Who is that? Akshara, good, very good. Good, very good.
Sir, Manas Kumar over, sir.
Then show it to the camera. I want to see.
Sir, Aditya Pavan done, sir.
Manas Kumar, show it to the camera. Little closer, I can't see. Close to the camera.
Sir,
Where are the colors? Circle colors. Manas Kumar, where are the circles with color? Not this map. You have to draw the circle and you have to color it. Avantika, good. Red color circle I can see. Aditya Pavan, very good.
Sir, blue color.
Ah, okay. What is the radius of blue color you have drawn? You have drawn same color, same radius seems to be. Red color should be big, blue color should be small, 3 centimeters. What is the radius you have taken? Avantika, please check. Manas Kumar, where are your circles? Aditya Pavan, fine, I can see. Good. Sri Charan, where are the circles you have drawn? Sri Charan, draw the circles, color it and show it to me. Sri Charan, I am talking to you. Mr. Sri Charan. What okay? Draw the circles and show it to me.
Okay, sir. Sir, where will the colors?
You can use any color. You can use color pencils or sketch pens, anything. I told you in the last class itself, be ready with your geometry box, full geometry box.
Where we
Taranam, have you drawn the circles? Taranam. Taranam, I am talking to you. Have you drawn the circles or not?
It's over.
Huh?
It's over.
Show it to me.
Sir,
Show it to me if you have done.
Sir, I am Kanyap, sir. My completed, sir.
Who is that?
I have a blue color, sir.
Kanyap, sir.
I don't have a red. Some centimeters.
See, I have given red and blue because if you don't have the colors, at least you will have a blue pen and red pen. No, that's why I gave these two colors. No need to search for the color pencils or color sketch pens. Blue color pen will be there. You can color it with blue. Red color pen will be there. Every student will be having red and blue color pens. That's why I gave only these two colors.
Didn't draw it. The name will
Draw the circle and please color it.
Okay.
You had to hold the compass properly. While drawing the compass, don't hold the pencil. Darvik, I have told you, don't hold the pencil. Top of the compass you have to hold, not the pencil. Yeah, Nakul, good. Red color completed. Where's the blue color? Yeah, I can see both. Very good, very good. Sujay Naidu, where are the circles you have drawn? Sujay.
Kanyap, completed, sir.
Who is that?
Chaitanya Krishna completed, sir.
Yeah, Chaitanya Krishna, red color. Okay, where is the blue color? Hold properly the notebook. I can't see. Where is the camera?
Sir,
Where is the... Other page I can see, not the color one. Yeah, okay. You have drawn both the circles of same radius, man. It is wrong. Blue color should be less radius, 3 centimeters. Chaitanya Krishna, blue color circle with a 3 centimeter radius. Chaitanya Krishna, your circles both have same size. Veda Krishna, blue circle should be less radius, 3 centimeters. Veda Krishna, you have drawn both same radius, which is wrong. Blue circle with less radius, 3 centimeters. Red circle is big. Blue circle should be small. One is 4 centimeters, other one is 3 centimeters.
Sir, mine is finished.
Soma Vaidigna, I can't see the circles you have drawn.
Sir,
Red color.
Tanmay se complete, sir.
Okay. 3 and 4. Okay.
Sir, I don't have colors. That was I make the ready pen, sir.
You can draw, you can color it with pen also. No need to go for pencil or sketch pens.
Okay, sir.
So after the class, I will share the activities. It is not the homework. 2 activities, as I discussed in the beginning. 2 activities are there which you have to do.
Sir, is magnus over, sir.
Then show it to me. Show it to me. Very good, Meghanasri. Fine, good, good. Many students are drawing circles with the same radius. No. One is big, one is small. Sri Vaishnavi, check, both are looking same radius. One should be big, one should be small. 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters.
Over, sir.
Sri Charan.
Sir, we can have a over, sir.
What is the radius of blue color, Sri Charan? Sri Charan,
4 centimeters, sir.
blue color. But blue color, I am asking 3 centimeters, no? Why you draw 4 centimeters? Blue color, I said 3 centimeters. It is not simply blindly doing. What is the question? What you are doing? Change it. What you have done is wrong. Sri Charan, what you have done is wrong. Stop talking to your parents. Talk to me. Karannam, 4 centimeters. Very good. What about blue color, ma?
Sir, Siyavantika over.
Where is Sri Avantika? Sri Charan, your circles are drawn wrong.
Is correct.
Yeah, Veda Krishna, correct, ma. Tarannam, blue color 3. Very good, correct.
Sir, Siyavantika.
Harikirtana, red color. Okay. Blue color. Good, good, good. You have to write below the circle. Radius is 3 centimeters. Radius is 4 centimeters. You have to write. Harshika Reddy, keep the page near to the camera. It is very far away. Harshika, bring closer to the camera. Okay, good, good, good. Harshika, good. Right.
Sir, Harshika Reddy. Sir,
Yeah,
Siyavantika
Harshika, fine, correct.
over, sir.
Geetika Nagasri, okay, but you are not colored properly.
Sir? Okay, sir. What happened, sir?
Who?
Harshika.
Ah, it is correct, ma. Harshika Reddy. I told you, no, it is correct. Good.
Okay, sir.
Divya, show it to me. How much time you are taking? Navatesh, keep the camera properly. Why the camera is facing the fan?
So, sir.
Okay, 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Good.
I'm doing, sir. Sir, T-minus square, sir. Sir, T-minus square, sir.
Who is that?
T-minus Kumar.
Then show to the camera. I can't see.
Sir.
Okay, Manas Kumar. Okay, 4 and 3. One will be big, one will be small. That care you have to take. Okay. Still many are not completed, not shown to me. Only few are done. Soma Vaidigna, where are the circles? Have you drawn or not? You are simply relaxing,
I show-
talking to your parents.
I showed, sir.
Sri Vaishnavi, you check the radius, ma. I can see both are same shape. One is 4 centimeters, one is 3 centimeters. Second circle should be small in size. It looks the same to me.
Sir.
Pilura.
One is 3 centimeters and one is 4 centimeters.
Okay, then right. Then you check, then it is right. Avantika, it is right.
Sir, G3 over, sir.
Okay, good, good. Blessy, done. Sri Charan, done. Sri Charan, done. Avantika, fine,
Thank you, sir.
fine. Okay, please complete this. I'm getting late. I have next class. Please complete this. I will share the work. 2 activities are there. I will share that. Please do it and complete the activities.
Sir, Pirushi over, sir.
Sir, G3 over, sir.
Sir, Pirushi.
Fine. See you in the next class then.